Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda CRV headlight. Before we begin, always make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down. Safety first. You'll need a few basic tools: a screwdriver, some protective gloves, and of course, the correct replacement headlight bulb for your specific model. Wearing gloves is crucial to avoid transferring oils from your skin onto the new bulb, which can significantly shorten its lifespan. Now let's get to the headlight bulb. First, open your Honda CRV's hood. Look behind the headlight assembly. You should see the wiring and the bulb housing. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing down on its small tab and gently pulling it straight off. After that, you'll need to remove the rubber weather seal or dust cap. This piece protects the bulb from moisture and debris, so set it aside safely. With the housing exposed, you'll either find a metal retaining spring or the bulb itself will twist to unlock. If it's a spring, push it in and move it aside. If it twists, rotate the bulb about 1/4 turn counterclockwise and pull it straight out. Now take your new bulb. Remember, do not touch the glass part with your bare hands. Carefully insert it, aligning the 3 prongs or tabs, then twist it clockwise or re-engage the metal clip to secure it firmly in place. Almost done. Now, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully place the rubber weather seal or dust cap back over the bulb housing, ensuring it forms a tight seal to protect against moisture. Next, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, pushing it firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's secure. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test both your low beam and high beam headlights to confirm they are working correctly. You're all set for a safer drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.